Beer Champ Barbecuers. Today, we're doing up a tri-tip like a brisket on the Weber Kettle 26, cooking at 250. And this thing is smelling delicious. Check this out.
Give me a hell yeah! Give me a hell yeah!
So this tri-tip, I'm going to do a light trim on the fat cap and then score the heck out of it. And we're using Cosmo's cow cover and Uncle Steve's cow powder. Oh, hell yes. Plus, we're injecting this guy. We're using beef consomme, a little bit of that cow powder, no, cow cover. That's what I'm adding in. And some of this Cosmo's OPX1. Make it a little blend in a jar, and then I'm gonna pour some of that into a cup, pull that out with the needle, inject the hell out of this tri-tip, save half at least to pour back on, because we're gonna be putting this tri-tip into some aluminum foil. Pour that rest of that consomme on top, wrap it up nice and tight. We're cooking at 250 with Royal Oak lump charcoal and some Kingsford briquettes, because it helps fill in the naked basket from Greg over at Slow Hand. Yeah, the woodshed Slow Hand. That is. Oh, cheers. So I'm wrapping this tri-tip up in aluminum foil. Double wrap it and make sure you get no leaks, and you pop in your whatever moisture mix you're gonna add. You can pour beer on top of it. Oh, hell yeah. Wrap that sucker up nice and tight with a heavy duty aluminum foil. Pop it back in, indirect, or whatever way you're cooking it. You don't want to be over flames. That's it. and about $250, $275 if you want. And so I'm guessing it don't matter the time. You're just trying to get up there to where it's super tender. So if you're about 205, 212, whatever, once it's super tender and that probe goes in and out easily, it's time. Pull it out. I would open up the foil and try to get a little bark back on top because you're braising it right now. And then pull it out and you chop it up. You make sandwiches out of this, or you can eat it by slices. It don't matter. Enjoy it. Get yourself a nice cold one and have a damn good tri-tip party. Oh, hell yeah.
Give me a hell yeah!
6 hours later on this 3-pound tri-tip, 250 to 275, floating around that. Check this out. Oh, hell yeah. Look at the smoke ring on that guy. Boom. Some jus. Look at that. Oh, hell yeah. Toasted the bun. Some onion rings on it. Gouda cheese sliced. That smoked Gouda. Hell yeah. And sriracha cabbage. Oh, hell yeah. Boom.
I said give me a hell yeah!
It's almost like a Reuben. That rocks. Oh, hell yeah.